Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome to video 2 done on Friday night. How do you like my makeup? I just did it with Revlon. So our next video is going to be Glossybox. Now usually Glossybox is the first box I get every month, but this month it was the last. What happened, Glossybox? What happened? So it's pretty in pink, as you can see. Their boxes are normally just pink, which is fine with me. They're always really pretty packaging. So we have a menu, which I'm going to prop up like this. Oh, it looks like I'm getting some polish. Stay. Oh, it's wedding themed. Interesting fact. This month, I have been married 20 years. Yay! No metal, no traces. That's simple. What is... Oh, bobby pins. Invisible bobby pins. Can you see that? How cool is that? Cleansing foam. Cannot say this word. Featured size 30 ml. Pretty cool. A sleek eyeshadow palette. Full size. Does it say what it retails for? $11.99. How much do those bobby pins retail? $7. That's kind of high. I'm trying to get this open. Ugh. Very nice. Just your typical nudie palette. Not gonna swatch it or anything, but they're very nice colors. Purifying Pine Clay Mask. Color Protect Conditioner, Deep Conditioners. I thought it was for, like, looking at it, I thought that Brute Rose Deep Conditioner, they're $4 each. I thought it was a lip mask because that looks kind of like some lips. Ooh, and some very lovely Morgan Taylor, and I love mauve fingernail polish. And that's it from our beloved Glossybox. It's finally here. I'm so excited. Have a good night.